Destructors does not have a return type. Which among the following describe a destructor? It is a special function that is called to free the resources acquired by the object. When a destructor is called just before the end of object life. Which among the following is correct for abstract class destructors? It does not have destructors. If in multiple inheritance class C inherits class B and class B inherits class A, in which sequence are their destructors called? If an object of class C was declared tidal C function, then tidal B function, then tidal A function. Choose the correct sequence of destructors being called for following code: class A, class B, class C, public A, public B. Tidal C function, tidal B function, then tidal A function. When is destructor of a global object is called? Just before end of program. How the constructors and destructors can be differentiated? Destructors are preceded with a tidal symbol and constructor does not. Destructors can be virtual. Global destructors execute in order after main function is terminated. Reverse. When is it advised to have user-defined destructors? When class contains some pointer to memory allocate in class. Which among the following is correct for destructors concept? There can be only one destructor in a class. Which class destructor will be called first when following code of our scope? Tidal C function. When an object is passed to a function, its copy is made in the function and then the destructor of the copy is called when function is returned. What happens when an object is passed by reference? Destructor is not called. How many types of access specifiers are provided in OOPS? C++. 3. Which among the following can be used together in a single class? All three together. Only private, private and protected, private and public together. All the three together. Which among the following can restrict class members to get inherited? Private. Which access specifier is used when no access specifier is used with a member of class? Default. Which specifier allows a programmer to make the private members which can be inherited? Protected. Which among the following is false? Default members can be inherited. If a class has all the private members, which specifier will be caused for its implicit constructor? Public. A class A has add function with protected access and few other members in public, then class B inherits class A privately. Will the user will not be able to call private, protected and public members of class A? Which access specifier should be used in class where the instance cannot be created? All private constructor. On which specified data does the size of a class objects depend? All the data members are added. If class B inherits class A privately and class B has a friend function, will the friend function be able to access the private member of class A? No, because friend function can only access private members of friend class. If an abstract class has all the private members, then no class will be able to implement members of abstract class. Which access specifier should be used to that all the parent class members can be inherited and accessed from outside the class? Public. Which access specifier is usually used for data members of a class? Private. Which specifier should be used for member function of a class? Public. If a function has to be called only by using other member functions of the class, what should be the access specifier used for that function? Private. Which among the following is correct to call a private members from outside the class? Not possible. If private members has to be accessed directly from outside the class but the Class X specifier must not be changed. What should be done? Friend function should be used. Which access specifier is or are most secure during inheritance? Private. Choose a correct option for the code given below. Constructor will keep number of objects created. Which among the following is true? Private member function cannot be overridden. Which among the following is correct? Private specifier can be used anywhere in class. Thank you for watching the video.